Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Rahul. My name is Rahul. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Please sit down. Please sit down. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Let's start. Let's start. I'm ready. I'm ready.